Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Elementor blocks to speed up web design. If you're looking to create professional-looking pages without starting from scratch every time, Elementor blocks are a game changer that can dramatically cut down your design time. First, open your website's WordPress admin dashboard and log in using your credentials. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your WordPress site. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard with various menu options on the left-hand side. Now navigate to Pages and then click on All Pages. This will display a list of all the pages currently on your website. Find the specific page you want to edit and hover over it. You'll see several options appear and you want to click on Edit with Elementor. This launches Elementor's visual page builder interface where you can design your page in real time. Once you're inside the Elementor editor, look at the canvas area where your page content appears. You'll notice a gray folder icon, which is the Add Template button. Click on this icon at the spot where you want to insert a pre-designed block. This is where the magic happens, as you'll gain access to Elementor's entire library of ready-made design blocks. After clicking the folder icon, a template library panel will pop up. At the top of this panel, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Blocks tab to access the block library. These blocks are pre-designed sections like headers, hero sections, pricing tables, testimonials, and more, all ready to drop into your page. Now comes the search and selection phase. You can either browse through the available blocks by scrolling, or you can use the search bar to find exactly what you need. For example, if you need a hero section, simply type hero into the search bar. If you're looking for pricing tables, type pricing instead. You can also filter blocks by category to narrow down your options and find the perfect match for your design needs. However, here's an important point to note. In order to enable and use these Elementor blocks, you must upgrade to Elementor Pro. The free version of Elementor doesn't include access to the block library, so if you're serious about speeding up your web design workflow, investing in the Pro version is essential. Once you've upgraded to Elementor Pro, you'll have unlimited access to hundreds of professionally designed blocks that you can insert, customize, and adapt to match your brand. This dramatically reduces design time and ensures your pages look polished and professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.